Hey guys, this is Miss Fuller, and I want you to all be excited because over the next 4 weeks, we are going to be doing a myth genre study. So hopefully you all know what a myth is, but over the next 4 weeks, we're going to be learning a lot more about it. The first week, we're going to learn exactly what a myth is and learning about the characteristics and elements that make up a myth. In the second weeks, we're going to learn how to locate those characteristics and elements while reading a story or a book. That week, we're going to be reading Pandora's Box in two different versions, and hopefully you all will be able to locate those characteristics and elements because of the review from week 1. The third week, you're going to locate the elements of a myth while performing a reader's theater. Fun, right? You'll get to break up into your groups, and you'll be performing the Midas Touch, the Myth of Icarus, and Pandora's Box. And then you'll get to share your reader's theater with others in your class. And then finally, the last week of our unit, you'll get to learn how to write your own myth. So if you want to be a famous myth genre author like Rick Riordan, then now's your chance to get to learn how to write your own myth. So are you excited, guys? You should be.